Hey everyone, welcome. If you're an ambitious undergrad trying to figure out how to make your summer break a real launchpad for your career, then you are definitely in the right place. Today, we're digging into the Amity Undergraduate Summer Research Fellowship for 2026, and trust me, this is an opportunity that could be a total game changer.
There's this one big question every student asks themselves. I've got this precious summer break, so how do I make it really, truly count? How do I do more than just recharge? How do I turn this time into a serious investment that's going to make me stand out?
And that's exactly where the Amity USRF program comes in. It is designed to help you connect what you learn in the classroom with real-world impact. We're talking about getting your hands dirty with actual research that does more than just look good on a resume. It builds real skills, boosts your job prospects, and can seriously strengthen your applications to top universities all over the world.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the opportunity itself. Then we'll get into what the USRF actually is. After that, we'll cover who's eligible, hit all the key deadlines, and finally, break down the two different ways you can get into the program.
All right, first up, the opportunity. We're talking about the Undergraduate Summer Research Fellowship, or as you'll see it called, the USRF.
So, what is the USRF, really? Well, at its core, it's a fellowship hosted at Amity University's Noida campus. It's all about pairing you, the undergrad, with faculty supervisors to work on some genuinely innovative research projects during the summer.
So, what's the time commitment like? It's pretty flexible, actually. The program can run anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. But the one date you've got to lock in, the one to circle on your calendar, is the start date, June 12th, 2026.
Okay, so we've got the basics down. Let's dive a bit deeper into the nitty-gritty. In this next section, we'll cover the specific details of the program, like what fields they're looking for and who should really be thinking about applying.
One of the coolest things about this program is just how wide-ranging it is. It's not just for the hard sciences. The fellowship is looking for innovators in everything from AI and engineering to pharmacy, biotech, and even management. That kind of variety means you're going to be surrounded by people with all sorts of different ideas and perspectives.
Okay, so this sounds pretty cool, right? But the next big question is, are you eligible? Let's break down the core requirements right now so you can see if this is the right fit for you.
And the good news is the requirements are super straightforward. First off, it doesn't matter where you are. This is open to students in India and all around the world. And second, you just need to have finished at least 2 years of your undergraduate degree. That's it.
Okay, this next part is huge. Let's talk about the timeline. These are the key dates and deadlines you absolutely cannot afford to miss.
All right, get your calendars out because these dates are critical. The big one, the one you need to circle in red, is the application deadline, May 11th. After that, everything moves fast. You'll find out if you've been selected in the third week of May, just before the whole thing kicks off on June 12th.
All right, now this is a really important part of the whole thing, how you can actually participate. See, the program has two totally different ways to get in, so let's compare the fellowship path versus the non-fellowship path.
So, how do they decide which path you're on? Well, it all boils down to one thing, academic merit. The program set up these two tracks as a way to really reward high achievers while still keeping the opportunity open for other great candidates.
Okay, so let's break this down because it's super important. On one side, you've got the fellowship path. If your grades are 80% or higher, the experience is completely funded. I'm talking a stipend, free travel, free housing, zero cost. On the other side is the non-fellowship path. This is for other eligible students, but it comes with a program fee of 10,000 rupees, and you pay for your own housing. So the bottom line is, your hard work in school is directly rewarded with some serious financial support here.
I really want to zoom in on this number for a sec. 80%. That's the magic number. That's the academic benchmark. If your grades are at or above that mark, you are officially in the running for the full-ride, fully funded fellowship experience. And what's the reward for that hard work? Well, for starters, you get direct financial support. We're talking a stipend of 1,000 rupees paid to you every single week you're in the program.
So just to recap, look at all the stuff this full fellowship covers. You've got the weekly stipend, your train travel, a free stay in the on-campus hostel, and absolutely no application fees. It is truly a fully supported experience, designed so you can just focus on what matters most, the research.
And remember, as they make really clear here, the whole selection process is based purely on merit. If you're selected, you'll get an email during that third week of May, so be sure to keep a close eye on your inbox.
Okay, so what should you do right now? Let's make it super simple. First, take a good look at your grades and make sure you hit those eligibility marks, especially that 80% if you're aiming for the fellowship. Second, pull out your phone or calendar and put down May 11th. Mark it, star it, set a reminder. And third, start getting that application ready to go.
And that pretty much wraps it up. Look, this isn't just another way to spend a summer. It's a real potential launchpad for your entire career. So the only question left to ask is this going to be your summer to innovate?